Guys, it's your girl Miss Janice, and y'all know what time it is. If I'm giving y'all a box like this, I'm sorry that it is a little wobbly. I got my son holding it. I told y'all I'm moving, so y'all see all this stuff over here and over there. Y'all know exactly what it is. So just got this today. Quit moving, babe. Just got this today. So I have Spectrum Mobile, so I got mine through Spectrum. Need y'all not to see that. So here is the box. I want y'all to see the comparison of my stuff. I still have my Note 10 Plus. So box is just a little bit bigger. That pen look huge. All right, so put that down and do this real quick. Oop, I almost got myself. So let's see. So here we are with this, and it looks like it already got a screen protector on it. It already has a screen protector on it. So y'all see I got the what is it, Mystic Bronze buttons over here. Like I said, it got a screen protector. I'm probably gonna keep this on. I already got my case. Y'all know I'm gonna show my case. Let me load it up and I'll be right back. So I pretty much have my phone cloned now. Far as that. Now I did want to talk about what we get. Now, as y'all remember, any Note 10 people. Now listen, I looked at it already, but I want y'all to see what I saw. Okay, so you take this off, right? Of course, you get your 25 watt power brick, right? You get that. Of course, you get that. You open this up. Bro, there's no headphones. It's no headphones. You get a cord. This cord looked actually a little bit longer. But wait, there's more. So, y'all remember this, right? What's supposed to be in here, right? Why would you even put this on this, right? So you open this up. And bruh. What'd you say? Nothing. So Samsung, where's my pen replacements? Okay, where's my headphones? What was the purpose of this? Like, there's nothing else in here. I even was like, well, let me look in here and see what's in there. There's nothing in here but papers and like your little SIM eject thing. This is my old one, but that's it. Yo, I'm confused. I'm confused because maybe they just figured when people break their pens or don't have, you know, the inside part, maybe they just replaced them. So they figured they didn't need to put them in. Because I'm not going to lie, I still got mine and this one. I still have... my... Look, and you even got one of these with the old one. Remember this? You transfer your files and stuff over. Like, I still have my... Is it in here? Yeah, I still got my stuff. Is it this way? This way. It's in there. It's in there. Trust me, it's in there. Y'all hear it. So I guess I gotta keep that in order to, you know, change my pen stuff if I need to. Again, y'all, I got Spectrum. Everybody know about the specs. I'm not really here to give y'all specs. Y'all know the pen is on this side now. The buttons are now on this side. They were on, let me get my focus back together. They were on this side. Now we gotta bring them back over here. So that's that. My phone is set up. It is quick, and the screen, it do look good. I get that to them. It look good. I can tell the quality of it is way better than the Note 10 that I have now. Probably because of refresh rate and everything. But I do have a case. Y'all know I always say something about a case. So I got this on Amazon. Let me open it up, because I did want to show my back off, the back part off. And it's clear, but it has some reflex in it. Got some little reflex in there. So let me get this off and put this on the phone, and I will be right back. As a matter of fact, I did want to show y'all something about it. So this is a 3-piece case. So it has the front part, it has the little jelly part, which is supposed to be shock absorbing. If I can get it out, come on, which is supposed to be shock absorbing. It's a pretty firm plastic. And then you have the plastic. Do it got scratches on it already? It looked like it on it. And I just took the little film off. They got a little film over there. I guess so. So, let me see. Do I want to take the plastic off? I think I'm gonna take the plastic off the back. So give me a second. I'm gonna go on and put the phone in, and then I'm gonna tell y'all how the case feel on it. So I got the case on. It was really, really easy to put on, and as you can see, it's raised, so you don't have that, you know what I mean, with the camera sticking out. You don't have that. Y'all know I give it to you live. I don't need all that fancy shit or whatever. But yeah, everything is raised, so you don't have to worry about it touching it. This is cute. Look at this. Y'all see my aura glow in the background. She's about to take a break and go to my son. But yeah, here is the phone. It's so cute. Like that rose gold situation, I was scared of that. It is way bigger than my Note, you know what I mean? But I'm used to big phones. So this is just an unboxing, and then me trying out this clear case, so that you ladies or gentlemen, if you guys want this case, I'll be sure to put it down in the description. And if you guys want to see I don't know how I work with the camera on here or anything like that, like, definitely let me know. Yeah, the buttons feel really, really good. Let me see, how easy is it? Yeah, easy to take that out or anything. Like I said, everything is really, really raised, so you don't have any issues. You don't have to worry about your phone smacking or anything like that. It's actually a bump over it. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bump over it. So, and y'all know I'm recording on my Note 10 right now. So the camera quality of the Note 10 is good. I can't wait to see what the camera quality to this is going to be. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick little unboxing. I got Spectrum. So this is what you got. I don't know if maybe they sent me out like the wrong one, but I figured all Notes come with at least the pen replacements. But we didn't get headphones either. But no worries for the headphones, because I did get these babies. Now, if y'all want to see something on the Buds Live, like my honest opinion and everything, because I've had them for about a week, let me know if y'all want a review on these. I will definitely do that for you if you want me to. So yeah, I had to match. I had to match, y'all. So yeah. All right. So I'm signing out. Y'all see I'm in the midst of moving. It is a mess in here. Stuff is everywhere. I got a couple videos coming out. They are scheduled. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye. But before I go, I just want y'all to see this real quick. So I think I got it on. I don't even got it on 8K yet. So I just have it on 1920 by 180, right? That's for the video. The 8K, it don't support like autofocus or anything. Look at this. Like, that shit damn near looks cinematic. Okay, I'm gone. I'm gone for real, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. And if y'all like content like this, let me know. Let me know, man, because this is hot.